Hi guys, Bill here. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. I know it's nice and clear and pretty here today, but it's steaming hot outside. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a video, guys, on some of these Jada vehicles. You know, from the Just Truck series, metals diecast. This one here I'm going to do, guys. This one is from Wave 22. Okay. It's 6 models. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll just let this one be the first one, guys. Like I said, this is from Jada. And they're really, really well made. I mean, I think they look pretty nice. So this one right here, like I said, guys, they're from Wave 22, and there's 6 in this series. So this is the 2017 Ford F150 Raptor. Let's get it up here closer so you can kind of get a look at it. But that's what she looks like. Try to show the top of her a little bit. Got a lot of plastic I got to go through on this one, guys. So there's the back side. And I love my trucks, so I really like these a lot. There's front side, guys. I don't know if you're seeing it very well, but that plastic kind of blocks it. I hate taking my stuff out of these plastic cases. But that's that one, guys. The 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. Beautiful truck. Let's move on here. The next one here. This one's the 1973 Ford Bronco in the set. This is a sharp Bronco right here. See the top of her up there. All red body, the white top. As you know, you could remove them. There's the back side. It's got Ford, and it's got that Jada emblem right there. See if we can see the front on this one. That's the front of her, guys. You know, and these aren't really, I mean, they say they're a monster truck, but they're not a true monster because of the wheel size. You can tell that they're somewhere in between. So, but that's the undercarriage on it. Nice looking Bronco. Let's move on to the next one. Let's see, the next one here. This is a 2003 Hummer H2, guys. That's this one right here. You can see the lift kits and all that underneath it there. Great looking truck. Let's look at it from the front. Light bar up top up there. Let's go to the back side here. Back side back there says Hummer. Kind of look underneath. You can't see much. Well, there we go. You can see a little bit of it. Lots of plastic in between this model. But that's it right there, guys. That's the 2003 Hummer, the H2. Pretty cool looking rig. The next one here is this 2008 Ford F350 Super Duty. I really like this one too. Beautiful chrome wheels. All them tampos on the side. Just really nice. So, show the top over here. The back side. We'll go to the front here. Sweet looking truck, guys. You know, on the website they say these are 1/64th. These aren't 1/64th, guys. These are probably, I'm thinking about 1/55th to 1/48th, somewhere in there, honestly. You know, they're way bigger than 1/64th, so. But That's a 2008 Ford F350 Super Duty, guys. Sweet truck. Got two more here from Wave 22, guys. This one here is the 1999 Chevy Silverado Dually. Stay wild on the side, that Tampo. Pretty neat truck. All that red undercarriage and everything. Red wheels. Got her from the top. There's the back side of her. There's what the front looks like. Sorry for a little bit of shaking, guys. That's me. So, can't do much about it. Stupid medicine I'm on. But that's that one there, guys. 1999 Chevy Silverado Dually. Beautiful truck. And we got one more, guys. And I really like this. I'll tell you what, I like them all. This is a 1972 Chevy Cheyenne, guys. All in white, them chrome wheels. Sweet looking truck. That's what she looks like from the top. Back side of her. Front of her. And that was it, fellas. That was Wave 22 from Jada, however you want to say it, the metal diecast, the Just Trucks, guys. Wave 22, there's 6 of them in this set. So, but that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, can you hit the like button for me? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate that too, guys. I'm going to go ahead and sign this off. Thanks for watching. God bless all of you. Take care, and we'll see you at the next video. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.